for the lighting setup or after. So just for a moment I'll show you what I already did.
There we go, in some jogging pants and trousers, call it how you want it. And yes, first of all, welcome to my channel. My name is Noel and welcome to Fuse Full Send, the new name of this channel. And yeah, I hope we will have a great time together, and you meet me now here on the way to go out to filming some cool stuff for you. And I just wanted to tell you, we will have a great time together, and I hope you can enjoy what I'm doing here. So yeah, see you soon. See you on my videos. I would appreciate if you leave a like and follow my channel. Just press subscribe, and please just click on the notification jingle so you know when a new video is online. I'm Noel and welcome to Fuse. This is Full Send. We will see us again on this channel. Bye bye. So, there we go. We arrived at our spot. Yeah, and just a few things to say. I pretty like my daily, and it sounds pretty cool with this 6 cylinder in a row. And yes, I don't know what to say more about the E39 523i. It's a gorgeous car. It's very comfy. It's rear wheel drive, perfectly for the winter. And here just some pretty nice shots of the car, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I would appreciate if you leave a like. Please subscribe this channel, turn off the notifications, and yes, now the cinematics from this car. Have fun. Bye bye. Your Noel. So, welcome to my home. We arrived now back from the drive with the BMW, my daily driven car, and now I thought I can show you some edits in Lightroom. I just made something for you that you can see what are my vision for Instagram and the social media platforms. So let's move on. Let's go to Lightroom. Here we are, and yes. Here you see some raw footage, and I would tell, let's start something doing cool stuff. And just for a moment I'll show you what I already did. This is one of my first pictures, before and after with my edits. I thought it looks pretty nice. For example, just you
can see here for Instagram. I think that looks pretty dope. Like for example this. That's done before and after. That's before. That's after. Just a bit moody, but a bit darkened the window and used some gradient filter. And here also a bit. I changed not a lot, just some gradiated filter. Make it darker now in the middle a bit. Pushed up the highlights and the midtones, and yeah, that's it. And I can show you here now how I edit my photos. For example this, I mean that changed a lot. I mean the wheels pop out, the car is popping out, and you still see a lot of details like the nature, the sky and the floor, the little tiny things. And I shoot that with a pretty old lens. No, it's the 18 to 35 1.8 Sigma Artlens. Yeah. And I changed some little things, yeah, just to show you what I did. I darkened the lights, also I darkened and I highlighted the car. You can see the setup on Lightroom. And I can show you the before and after for you, just so you can see what I did. Oh, and also I highlighted the sky, just to make a bit of pop out. Just don't that the attention be still as on the car, and the attention is not only lost at the car. So I highlighted the sky that give the feel of a randomly shot picture. That's what I think about it. So that's it. And oh, I think the second battery, the second light, the battery is not full enough. I just take a second, pull a little bit near to me. Lower it a bit, and there we go. I think that's okay. So my side cheek is a bit highlighted, and I think looks too darky. Just for example, before and after, what I did, what I made for the lighting setup, or after. So it looks a bit more dramatic, highlighted, pulled out from the background. So I think that's pretty good. So let's move on. That's it, and yeah, let's do some cool photos. Yeah, that's it. We're Gucci. I think we did a pretty nice job. It's not finished perfectly, but yeah, I hope still you enjoyed the video. And this was a daily routine with my BMW, making some shots, taking a video for you on YouTube. And I would appreciate if you leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn off the notification for the next videos are upcoming too. And yes, what I can tell you, there are a lot of cool cars will come: a Porsche Macan GTS and Porsche 911 992 in Crayon. The color is called Crayon. It's some 4S 992. And much more. For example, Porsche Cayenne will be coming in 1-2 weeks. And what about, and also on Porsche Panamera 4S with the GTS look again on this channel. But I will do some cooler photos and making some cool road trips. I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, leave a like. I will love you all when you share this video to your friends, family, and dudes and everybody. So see you soon. See you in the next video. Bye bye. I'm Noel.